Starting a PC building business can be a lucrative and exciting venture, especially as demand for custom-built computers continues to grow. With the rise of gaming, remote work, and specialized computing needs, many customers seek personalized PCs tailored to their specific requirements. Leveraging free AI tools can dramatically simplify and accelerate the process of launching your business, from planning to marketing to operations. This guide will walk you through each step of starting your PC building business using free AI resources, with suggested prompts and tools to help you at every stage. Step 1. Conduct market research and define your niche. Before diving into the business, it is crucial to understand the market landscape and identify your target audience. Use free AI-powered research tools like ChatGPT or Google Bard to analyze current trends, customer preferences, and competitor offerings in the PC building industry. For example, you can ask ChatGPT, what are the latest trends in custom PC building and popular customer segments? Or, who are the main competitors in the custom PC market, and what niches do they serve? This will help you pinpoint whether you want to focus on gaming PCs, workstations, budget builds, or specialized rigs for video editing or AI research. Step 2. Develop your business plan. A solid business plan outlines your goals, financial forecasts, operational model, and marketing strategy. Use ChatGPT to create a detailed business plan by providing a prompt such as, help me write a business plan for a custom PC building company targeting gamers and creative professionals, including startup costs, pricing strategy, and growth projections. ChatGPT can generate structured content, including an executive summary, market analysis, competitive strategy, and financial plan. This gives you a foundation for making decisions and seeking funding if needed. Step 3. Register your business and handle legalities. Use free AI assistants or local government websites to learn about business registration requirements, licenses, and permits needed in your area. For instance, prompt ChatGPT with, what steps do I need to take to legally register a small PC building business in your location? It can provide guidance on business structures, LLC, sole proprietorship, tax registration, and any industry-specific certifications. You can also get AI help drafting basic legal documents like terms of service or customer contracts. Step 4. Source your components and build supplier relationships. Finding reliable suppliers for PC components is critical. Use AI tools like ChatGPT to draft professional inquiry emails or negotiate supplier terms. For example, ask, help me write a professional email to request wholesale pricing from PC component distributors. Additionally, platforms like AliExpress or local wholesalers can be researched using AI to compare prices and reviews. AI can also help create an inventory management plan to keep track of parts and avoid shortages. Step 5. Create your branding and online presence. Your brand identity will set you apart. Use AI tools such as Canva's free AI design features or Loca for logo creation and brand assets. For website creation, AI-powered website builders like Wix ADI can help you generate a professional site quickly. You can prompt ChatGPT with, generate website content for a PC building business homepage, focusing on quality and custom builds. Use the AI to create engaging product descriptions, FAQs, and about pages. Establish social media profiles with consistent branding using AI-generated content calendars and post ideas. Step 6. Develop a marketing strategy. Marketing is key to attracting customers. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm marketing plans and create content. Try prompting. Create a marketing plan for a new PC building business targeting gamers and remote workers, including social media, SEO, and email marketing. AI can also help generate engaging posts, add copy, and email newsletters. Tools like HubSpot's free CRM, combined with AI chatbots, can automate customer interactions and lead generation. Additionally, use Google Trends or Answer the Public to identify popular search terms and tailor your SEO strategy accordingly. Step 7. Set up your workflow and customer management. Efficient workflows help your business run smoothly. Use free project management AI tools like Trello with AI integrations or ClickUp to organize orders, build schedules, and track progress. AI can assist with drafting standard operating procedures, SOPs, for assembling PCs, quality checks, and shipping processes. For customer management, tools like Zoho CRM offer free tiers and AI capabilities to track leads, follow-ups, and post-sale support. Step 8. Price your services competitively. Pricing is critical to profitability and customer appeal. Use AI calculators or prompt ChatGPT with your component costs and overhead to generate pricing models. Help me calculate competitive pricing for custom PC builds with these costs. Insert or cost details. AI can help analyze competitors' pricing and suggest discounts or bundle offers that maximize revenue while staying attractive. Step 9. Start building PCs and collect feedback. Once you have the supplies, team, and processes ready, start building sample PCs. Use AI to generate quality assurance checklists and customer feedback forms. Prompt ChatGPT. Create a quality control checklist for assembling custom gaming PCs or draft a customer satisfaction survey for PC building clients. This will help you identify issues early and improve your service. Step 10. Scale and optimize your business. After launching, continuously improve your operations with AI analytics. Use free AI tools to analyze sales data, website traffic, and customer feedback to identify growth opportunities. ChatGPT can help you generate monthly performance reports by feeding it relevant data. You can also ask for ideas to expand your services, such as offering PC repair, upgrades, or consulting. Conclusion. Starting a PC building business using free AI tools is a practical and efficient approach that minimizes startup costs while maximizing your chances of success. From conducting market research and writing a business plan to marketing and customer management, AI can streamline every aspect of your journey. By strategically applying AI-powered assistance, you can focus more on delivering quality custom PCs and building strong customer relationships. With dedication and smart use of AI, your PC building business can thrive in a competitive market. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.